Happy. Like I said, when you have like-minded people and who want to give back to the society, and you get to learn a lot from them. That's the best part because I've seen them working with a lot of passion, to help others. And I remember all the cases in last few months that I've referred to Ankura. We are able to change those lives, and we've been able to save many more lives in last couple of weeks. So like I said, this is just the beginning, miles to go, yeah, but the journey is on. This is the best platform to do it. What you can do, by connecting with a normal person, I think, okay, politics, this is a great thing. I see all the people have been doing well. But if I was in any kind of political, parameters, I wouldn't have been able to connect with so many people. So I enjoy being a common man. I enjoy being one of you guys. So I think that's the best space, the most comfortable space, and I love it.
కరోనా ఆ టైంలో అందరూ హెల్ప్ చేశారు కదా, అంటే ఇప్పుడు హాస్పిటల్ ఓపెనింగ్ వచ్చింది, మీరు ఎట్లా వాళ్ళకి సజెషన్ ఇవ్వగలుగుతారు? హెల్త్ పరంగా మీరు ఓపెనింగ్కి వచ్చారు కదా, వాళ్ళకి సజెషన్ ఏం ఇవ్వగలుగుతారు హాస్పిటల్ వాళ్ళకి, పీపుల్కి?
Sir, I'm here to learn something, and I'm here to share my experiences with all the people, all the doctors that I meet. Like I said, if from 1 year from now, before Corona, you would ask me, okay, I'm feeling, I have some kind of fever, what to do? I would be clueless. I don't know what to do. But in last couple of months, I connected with so many people, so that ask me any problem, I'll handle it. So the best part with Ankura is that we discuss a lot of problems that people are facing in today's time. We know that because of the pandemic, a lot of people have suffered. So yes, we need people, we need forces, we need minds to come together to help others. And I'm so happy to be a part of Ankura Hospital because every single individual under this roof of Ankura it has pure passion to help others. So I think when you have such a huge support system, I think I'm learning every day, and yes, we are there to help others.
Any chance Discord and Ankura?
I tell you, in last 1 year, I've realized that there's no formula to help. You don't have to think or you have to plan how can I help. You just have to take that first step. When I go for my shoots, I've been shooting movies all my life, but now when I go for my shoots, the makeup artists, the makeup van drivers, the production controllers, the light men, the camera guys, they also come up with cases. They said, okay, so there's a person in our native place in Guntur, in Nellore, who's suffering from so and so disease. Can you help us? I said, okay, get him. We'll help them. So we are able to save life through that source also. Whether he's a makeup guy, so he feels very nice because he got that guy connected with me and he was able to save that life. So the best lesson that we learn from the whole thing is that you don't have to be influential, you don't have to be very rich, don't have to be a doctor, you don't have to be a politician to help others. You just need to have that passion, that one drive to help others. Sometimes one phone call can save a life. So don't hesitate to make a call, just try to help someone and it will be done. I was not very good with essay writing as a student. So yeah, it feels very nice when I go through those textbooks. I get those messages that kids are writing an essay. When they meet, when the parents get their kids and they said, be like him when you grow up. So yeah, there's a huge amount of responsibility that you feel on your shoulders, but you feel nice. I miss my parents more when I listen to those little kids and those parents. I know that they are guiding me somewhere, but like I said, I think the best lesson that we can give to the coming generation is to show them the practical way how we can help someone. Just help someone, and I think they'll learn the best lesson of their life.
You definitely need volunteers.
Of course, we are all under one roof.
We are all there. Sir, thank you. You have so many corporate hospitals in India working for last so many years.
That when there is something good destined to happen, automatically everything falls in place. I've been shooting in Hyderabad from past 16, 17 years. and but I met Ankura group recently, and we have been able to save many lives. So I always believe that when something right has to happen, everything, all the blocks fall into right place. I met Ankura. First, I referred few cases to them. We were able to save many lives, and then I knew, okay, boss, these guys are not just people who are into healthcare. We have pure souls who are there to save lives, who are there to help others. They don't think, there are many cases when you send a case to a hospital, they said, boss, this is what we need and this is how we can do it. There's no other way. But then you also have people like KP, Ankara Group, who will say, let's first save a life, then we'll think later what is there to do. So that's what I got connected with, and that's why I made it.
Now you have been seen as a demigod.
Okay, we are there to, we are there for you, we are there to help you. But like I said, it's not just a responsibility on my shoulders, but every single individual associated with Ankura also. They also feel for a common man, they also feel for the needy who needs that healthcare. And not only, I would say, the doctors, I have met a lot of people who are working in different departments of Ankura, and I could see that passion in them. So it's very difficult and important to choose the people who run the whole machinery. And we have experts sitting next to me who have chosen the best. And like I said, this is just the beginning, miles to go, but we'll make this one of the most special and pleasant journeys for everyone. Us, what is your New Year resolution? So if you need one day to make that resolution, it's not right. Every morning you have to wake up, make a resolution, set a new goal, and you said, okay, I have to wake up to do something right in life today. I have to save someone, I have to help someone. So I take, as the challenges come, every individual who is there trying to help others, he's my hero. I've seen poor people, low middle class people, they do a lot of good work. In pandemic, we have seen how humanity came in full force, and every single individual were doing their best to the capabilities they had. So I think those are our real heroes. We saw so many real heroes. So I think they are all my real heroes. And of course, I always say in all my interviews, my mom and dad, they're not there right now, but they taught me all my life, and my mom always used to say to me one thing: you are successful only the day you are able to help a needy who's not expecting anything from you, and if you're able to help that person, then you are successful. So I think I always follow that goal. Yeah. Please come. God bless you. Thank you. You are busy, all these people are busy, and I'm also very busy. But I believe when I'm shooting for my movies, in between the shots, I go and attend the patients. There are people standing with their problems, with their medical health reports, and in between the shots, I go and see the health reports. I call doctors, and I get guidance. I call KP also sometimes in the middle of night. So I believe that you can never be that busy to help someone. My directors will sometimes wait for me because I'm sitting with a patient who's with the medical health report, and they'll wait for the shot. They say, okay, Sonu, don't worry, you finish, and after you finish, then you come. So my experiences, I've been doing movies in all different languages all these years, 18, 19 years. But I believe this is the best role that I've played. This is, the whole thing that I did was somewhere directed by Almighty, and I was playing my character, and I believe that, I was waiting for this role to happen. And I just want to tell that this film should keep on I just want to keep on shooting for this movie and keep on changing those lives. But like I said, every single day I learn new things, and somehow that's become an addiction now. I want to keep on learning and upgrading myself, and I just pray to God that keep this fire alive. I don't know. I got a lot of calls from a lot of people. They appreciated. I remember when I gave that tractor to Nageshwar Rao in Chittoor, I got a call from Chandrababu Naidu sir also. He said, this is something very special that you did for our states, and I tell all my people also that all my people that you should keep on working hard for a common man. But like I said, politicians are also normal people. They are one of us. But the best part is the example that I keep on giving is you don't have to be in politics, or you don't have to be an actor, or you don't have to be a doctor to help otherwise. It's just one thought, one drive to help, and it will happen.
So, do you think that being an actor and a face that everybody looks up to gets into politics? I think most of them actually.
Thank you, Karuna. But like,
young ladies.
yeah, no, I feel that I'm enjoying this space. I haven't seen that world, and the world that I'm living now with all these people, with I would call KB a legend in healthcare. Shruti, you've been guiding us how to move ahead in life. So I think you need right people around you, and that's what the space I enjoy. It doesn't really matter whether you, like I said, whether you're a politician, actor, a journalist, or anyone. One thought has to be there, and that's what we need to keep alive in ourselves, and that's what I'm working hard for.
Thank you, Sonu.
Do you-